Yeah, good morning. Good morning, all of you. Right now, today we are going to see how to find the HCF and LCM of the two number. And there are a number of ways to do that. But first of all, before going to start that HCF and LCM, I just want to ask some questions to you. That is, you know what is meant by factor and what is meant by multiple of the number. I'm going to explain what is meant by the factor. Just see whiteboard. Yeah, now you are able to see the whiteboard. Now I'm writing here. Here you can see, suppose I'm taking the example of 12. And what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12. Factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? Like 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is also factor of 12. Factor means the number which can divide this 12 completely. Now 1 can divide 12 completely, 2 can divide 12 completely, 3 can divide 12 completely, 4 can also divide 12 completely, but 5 not. But 6 can divide 12 completely, and after 6 directly 12 is a factor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Same way, I'm going to find here the factors of, suppose, 20. What are the factors of 20? You can see that 1 is a factor of 20. 2 is also factor of 20 because 20 can be divided by 2 completely. Then 3 cannot divide 20, so 3 is not a factor of 20. Then 4 is a factor of 20. Then 5 also divide 20 completely, that's why 5 is a factor of 20. Then 6 is not a factor. 7 is not a factor. Directly 10 is a factor. 10 can divide 20 completely, and after 10 directly the 20 is a factor. Now here you can see what are the common factors. Common factor here is 1, 2, and then you can see 4. 1, 2, and 4 are the common factor. And now here, what is a common factor? And you have noted down what are the common factor. And in that common factor, which is the highest common factor? And this highest common factor here is a 4. That's why that is a HCF. HCF is what? Highest common factor. What is meaning of the HCF? That is highest common factor. In the same way, we are going to see the multiple and LCM, least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Okay. Now, on the next page, okay. Now here on the second page, now you can see what are the multiple. Suppose you have to find the multiples of, I'm taking example 15. What are the multiple of 15? Next 4 multiple I'm writing. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. These are the next 4 multiple of 15. Multiple means what? Like factor is a number which can divide given number completely, is a factor. In the same way, multiple is a number which is coming in the table of that number. Like 15's table, what is coming next 4 multiple? We can say that next 4 multiple, that is 30, 45, 60, and 75. In the same way, suppose I am finding the multiple of 20. What are the multiple of 20? Next 4 multiple of 20. 21 are 20, 22 are 40, 23 are 60, 24 are 80. Now, in these 2 multiples of 15 and multiples of 20, you can see which is the common multiple. In the same way, common factors, in the same way, common multiple. Common multiple here is 60, and the 60 is a lowest common multiple. That is the first common multiple, that is called as least common multiple. That's why LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. This is the concept. Now, there are a number of ways to find it out, but the concept, what is meant by HCF and what is meant by LCM is that HCF means the highest common factor between given number, highest common factor between given number. And LCM means the lowest common multiple or least common multiple given between the two numbers. Okay, LCM is always greater than the given number, greater than or equal to the given number, and HCF is always smaller than or equal to the given number. Is that clear? Okay, then we will see some example of this. Okay. Now, find. First of all, we will take the example of HCF. Find HCF of, say, 25 and suppose 60. 25 and 60. Now, you will find the factors of 25 and factors of 60, and you will check which is the common factor, and in the common factor, which is the highest common factor. This is the basic idea. But to do this, there is a first method. First method, I will show you how to do that. First method. Okay, here I will factorize this 25 by prime factorization method. Which method? Prime factorization method. How to factorize? Like 25, the first prime number is 2. You know that first prime number means what? The number which are not divisible by any other number, that are divisible by that number itself and 1 only. Like 2 is the first prime number, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17. All these are the prime number. These numbers are divisible by only that number and 1. Only by itself and 1 and itself. So now here, first prime number is 2, but this 25 is not divisible by 2. So we will not take 2 here. Then what we will take? Next prime number after 2 is 3, but 25 is not divisible by 3. So the next prime number is 5. We will take 5. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 is coming and 5 is divisible by 5 only because the 5 is a prime number. So we will take here 5 and 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 25 are 5 and 5. 5 into 5. In the same way, we will find the factor of 60. 60, the first prime number is 2 and 60 is divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. You will get here 30. And 30 again is divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. We will get 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will take next prime number, that is 3, and 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is a prime number, so 5 is divisible by 5 only. So we will take 5 1s are 5. Now I have taken the factors of 25, that is 5 into 5, and factors of 60, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now here, which is the common between these two? What is the common? Here, common factors are 5. So that is a HCF. HCF is what? 5. If there are two numbers, two common factors, we will multiply that and that will be your HCF. Okay, got it? In the same way, you can find LCM. There are another method to find the LCM. What is that method? I am going to explain on the next page. Okay, find LCM of say, you can take any example. LCM of suppose 15 and 18. I'm taking smaller example to understand. You can take the bigger example later on. But first of all, to understand the concept, take the smaller example. Now here, this method, you will write directly 15 and 18 together here. And what you will do, you will check either of this number is divisible by 2, that is the first prime number. 15 is not divisible by 2, but 18 is divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2. 15 is not divisible, so 15 we will take as it is. 18 is divisible by 2, so 18 divided by 2, you will get 9 here. Okay. Now 15 and 9, both of them are not divisible by 2. The next prime number is 3. So we will divide. 9 is divisible by 3 and 15 is also divisible by 3. We will divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, now then here 5 is not divisible by 3, but 3 is divisible by 3. So we will take 3 and 5 as it is, because 5 is not divisible, so I take as it is. And 3 is divisible, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now next prime number is 5, and we have to take 5 because here only 5 and 1 is remaining, and 5 is divisible by 5 only because 5 is a prime number. So 5 divided by 5, that is 1, and this earlier 1. Now all these numbers, LCM is what? All these factors here, these factors you have to multiply. That is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What is that? 2 into 3, 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. And 90 is the LCM of 15 and 18. Got it? That means you can find HCF and LCM by using this simple method. Try to use this method. If you have a doubt, any doubt, you can write the in chat box or in the comment box. You can write down what are your comment, what are your doubts. I can take that doubts in the next lecture. Okay. Till that time, enjoy this HCF and LCM topic. Number of exercises I am going to give in the description section. Link for that will be in the description section. You can subscribe my channel so that you will get videos like this. Thank you.